A person with a noble character values honor above self-interest, while a person with an ignoble character values self-interest above honor. The fifth shows what honor should mean for a Katipunero. A true Katipunero values honor more than his personal interest. An honorable man's word is his bond. The sixth is about doing the talk the walk concept, or putting into action that word that has been a promise. A Katipunero who has sense of shame must be a man of his own word. Defend the oppressed and fight the oppressor. The eighth lesson simply tells everyone to fight for what is right and fight with the person who is at the right side. A Katipunero must protect the weak and fight for those who oppress the weak.